In this video, we're going to analyze Rohan Kishibe's quote from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
あいつを差し出せば、本当に僕の命は助けてくれるのか。
ああ、約束するよ。奴の養分と引き換えのギブアンドテイクだ。呼べよ。早く呼べ。だが断る。
So today's quote is だが断る. Daga is a conjunction meaning but or however. It can be replaced with demo, which is usually used in casual and colloquial speech by both males and females. On the other hand, daga sounds more like written language and it's often used by males. For example, 今日は天気がいい。だが少し寒い meaning it is a good weather today, but it's a bit cold. 一生懸命勉強した。だが試験に落ちた meaning I studied hard, but I failed the exam. 断る means to refuse, which is the dictionary form of 断ります. By ending a sentence with the dictionary form without any sentence ending particles such as yo or ne, he's expressing his strong decision and declaration. So today's quote, だが断る means but I refuse. This phrase is so popular that it has become the subject of many parodies, so I will introduce how to use だが断る in a proper situation. In this scene, Rohan being held hostage is told that if he sacrifices Josuke, his life will be spared. So he once pretends that he is inclined to do that, but then he says no to astonish the enemy who was certain that the answer would be yes. So it is used towards someone who gives you a very attractive offer when you're desperate, believing that you will say yes. Also, using this phrase after pretending that you're going to accept it will be more effective. For example, when the most popular girl in class tells you that she can go out with you and she thinks you will say yes as you look desperate, you can say, 本当に付き合ってくれるの? だが断る. Or when a rich person offers to lend you some money because you have no money and you can't even buy food, you can say, 本当にお金を貸してくれるの? だが断る. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.